Some of life's biggest steps are made on asphalt. Asphalt pavement has been around for more than a century, marking where we came from, where we are, and pointing the way to the future. Today, hot mix asphalt is Ontario's #1 pavement choice. This is a hot mix asphalt plant in Maple, Ontario. It's one of 170 such plants in the province. This is where hot mix asphalt is made.
Okay, Dom, I just started up. I'm going to be making some HL3 with recycle. So can you give me some sand, screenings, HL3 stone, and recycle?
That's for what you're here right now.
Asphalt is created by blending and mixing a precise combination of aggregates and asphalt cement. The aggregate component of the hot mix consists of processed coarse and fine stone, sand, and stone dust. First, the aggregates are put through a dryer to remove moisture. Then the heated aggregate is coated with hot asphalt cement. This black and sticky substance is a product of crude processing. It's the glue that holds the aggregate together to give us a durable pavement. Asphalt cement makes up approximately 5% of the total pavement mixture. The remaining 95% is aggregate. Once the mixing process is complete, the asphalt is transported directly to the paving site. At the paving site, the hot mix asphalt must be spread and compacted while still hot. Within the hour, the pavement will be ready for traffic.
Well, virtually every person in Ontario uses asphalt on a daily basis. If you were to calculate out how much we use per person, it amounts to about 1.5 tons per year. In fact, of all the roads that we see that are paved, about 90% of them are paved in hot mix asphalt.
Since the invention of the automobile, hot mix asphalt has been making our lives smoother. Today in Ontario, hot mix asphalt is the pavement of choice on hundreds of thousands of kilometers of roads and highways. It's the pavement of choice for our driveways and parking lots, pathways and tennis courts.
Roads across Ontario, and in fact right across North America, are paved with either asphalt or concrete. There's an ongoing debate about which is the better pavement material. We have many solid reasons to show why asphalt is the #1 pavement choice.
Why is hot mix asphalt the #1 pavement choice? Well, it's more economical, both initially and over the long term. Up front, asphalt pavement materials cost up to 30% less than concrete. Life cycle costing also shows asphalt pavements cost less over the lifetime of the pavement. Practical experience in Ontario shows that the design lifetimes of asphalt and concrete pavements are about the same. And data available to most municipalities will show that maintenance costs are also similar.
The region of Durham uses asphalt pavement composite on their roadways. We would expect our pavements to last a minimum of 15 years. We are finding that they're lasting 20 to 25 years before major upgrading or reconstruction is required. Some of our pavements that are concrete pavements have been down 40 to 50 years, but they are buried in asphalt. And that we found was a prerequisite that we go in and probably have more than one lift of hot mix over them because of the unevenness of that and the poor performance of the concrete.
Hot mix asphalt is more than a good economic choice. It's a good choice for motorists. Roads stay in service while resurfacing or patching is done, minimizing traffic headaches on alternate routes. When concrete is used, roads must be closed for extensive periods. Asphalt offers greater user comfort, providing a smoother and quieter ride. Concrete joints can be noisy and bumpy, with as many as 4 bumps per second at 100 kilometers an hour. And asphalt increases safety. Not only does it absorb glare and increase the visibility of markings, it's more skid resistant. In bad weather, the excellent drainage ability of asphalt reduces hydroplaning. With Canada's diverse geography and extreme weather conditions, hot mix asphalt is the ideal choice.
Asphalt is very good for pavement design because we have flexibility with regard to adapting to soft soils. We have a material that is extremely inert. It doesn't not destroyed or harmed at all by de-icing salts, and we can adapt to severe weather conditions like freezing and thawing, and of course to heavy loads.
At labs like this across Ontario, engineers are constantly working to improve the quality of asphalt, applying new technological solutions to old problems. For example, pavement performance simulators test loads on asphalt in all kinds of weather and road conditions. This experiment simulates a convoy of trucks going 50 kilometers an hour. A single truck tire can carry as much as 9,000 pounds. And that can cause rutting in improperly designed pavement.
We deal with examining pavement performance under various structural conditions. We may vary the thicknesses, in other words, of the layers, of the various layers that make up the pavement structure, or use different types of asphalt cement to bind the road mixture together. We were able to develop an asphalt cement by modifying the process of refining in our refinery to develop an asphalt cement that have better temperature susceptibility. In other words, it behaves better at high temperature. It resists deformation at high temperature, and it resists also cracking at low temperature.
The development and use of manufactured aggregates is another way the asphalt industry is working to improve the strength and stability of hot mix asphalt pavements. The use of 100% crushed stone is one of the key ways of reducing pavement rutting problems. Its ideal particle shape and surface texture maximizes the strength and skid resistance of hot mix pavement. Hot mix asphalt is also the best environmental choice. Old asphalt pavement is 100% recyclable, and compared to concrete, it takes much less energy to produce and build our roads with asphalt. Asphalt producers have always been proud of the fact that hot mix asphalt and asphalt cement are not hazardous to the environment.
The question of leaching comes up quite often, but asphalt is such an inert substance that it has been used for thousands of years to line ponds, to protect all kinds of things. It's been used to caulk boats and so on, and every test that we have ever done, and we've done a lot of research on this, shows absolutely no effects of leaching.
The manufacture of asphalt is strictly monitored from an environmental perspective. Dust, emissions, and noise are limited. Because the heating process involves complete combustion, asphalt plants emit steam and not smoke. Canadians are making environmentally conscious choices in their lifestyles and in the marketplace. We in the asphalt industry share that concern. That's why asphalt recycling has become a major part of the paving industry. Today, as much as 40% of all new asphalt mixes in Ontario contain some recycled material. Old asphalt can be economically recycled into quality asphalt materials, eliminating disposal problems. Recycling also conserves precious petroleum and virgin aggregate resources, reduces transportation requirements, and lowers fuel consumption.
Recycled asphalt pavement is becoming more prevalent in the industry, but we've recently determined through a survey that approximately 41% of the municipalities still do not allow it. And it's something we're promoting because it's the environmentally correct thing to be doing. There are two current main ways of recycling asphalt. One is to incorporate it by crushing and combining it with virgin aggregates as a granular base, and the other way is to incorporate it into the hot mix asphalt production process. In the hot mix process, the materials that are taken off the road are crushed and sized, and then they're added with virgin aggregates and new liquid asphalt to produce a hot mix asphalt. The other ways of recycling it in the asphalt process are cold in-place recycling and hot in-place recycling.
We know that more can be done. As an industry, we are working to spread the word about the benefits of asphalt recycling. We are changing the way we build roads. We are working to improve the science of asphalt. Hot mix asphalt has everything going for it: cost, performance, safety, and the environment. It's a proven commodity. Hot mix asphalt has always been Ontario's pavement of choice, in the past and today. And it will continue to be the #1 pavement choice well into the future.